Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to do the basic flame. A couple weeks ago I asked on my Instagram what tutorial they want to see, and flame was one of the most popular requests. So here we go. As you can see, I've already painted the base with the light green because I want to paint the flame design with a darker green. So here I use a liner brush. I actually put a lot of gel on it because I want to go with 1 or 2 strokes. Here I start from the bottom and kind of like, you know, it doesn't have to be really specific, but you just create these wavy lines and make sure the tips are very thin. After I painted the general outline, I fill in a little bit more to make those flame shapes a little bit thicker and wider and bold. Also, if you were wondering what liner brush I use, I put all the information in my description and with a discount code, so make sure to check it out later. Adding more wavy lines. Make sure that the direction is slightly different from the wavy line next to the lines that you're painting, if that makes sense, so that they're not really waving in the same direction to have more flow and movement. There are many ways to do this, but I like to do it one by one, kind of like doing the outline and then make it thicker and then do a different line and make it thicker again. But if you rather do the lines first and then go ahead and fill in later on, that's totally fine too. It's all about preference. You can of course do it symmetrically, but I like to have it a little bit more uneven on the left and right, so I'm adding a few more lines on the left side. Doing some final touch-up here, just go with the flow, you know. Looking pretty good. Yay! I like how that looks. So I am applying some top coat to cap it up. First, I apply the slip layer, which makes it easier for the gel to move when I apply the second layer, but don't cure in between. So here I want to have it a little bit more structured, making the apex in the middle, checking left and right, top and bottom. Here I'm making the apex and taking out some bubbles. Finally, you're going to let it cure the top coat, and here is the end result. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, and see you in the next video. Bye!